nigga shit. This nigga's hanging on the train, yo. This nigga's hanging outside the train.
Hold on. Hold on.
This nigga crazy. This nigga wanna die.
Fall, nigga, just hold on. Hold on.
Yo, I locked these niggas out the store. Look.
Open that.
I'm not opening shit, nigga. Suck my dick.
Okay, let me tell you something right after you. So as long as you sit over there, so none of your blood clot because I don't know none of you.
I ain't do shit to you.
I'm telling you, I'm telling you.
Don't tell me nothing.
All right, turn up blood clot again.
Dip from me, nigga. All right. What the fuck is you talking about? Beat the shit out of this dumbass. Hey, you wanna get knocked out? What you talking about? I ain't run, nigga.
Look at this shit. They don't even care no more. This motherfucker's about to take the train for real. He's about to take the J train to the city right now. Mira.
Always wanna fuck with the bros. I'm the conductor, nigga.
And I'm hated by plenty. Wait, I still keep it.
Oh, shit. Hey, suck my dick. Fuck all y'all niggas, suck my dick.
Spawn is a gangster, dog. Yo, Spawn is a gangster, dog. What's Scotty?
This cocksucker just stole my fucking egg roll. Grimy ass cocksucking Brooklyn squirrel. You took my fucking egg roll. You fuck.
Let's go!
So look, you know my boy. I got you. Got you by Michael. I'm gonna take a good picture right now. Look, boom. Boom. Now you gotta time the security guard.
Yo, Zay, get that man his Uber, Zay.
Yo, where's your Uber? Right there? Yeah.
Yup, get him his Uber.
Yeah.
Get him his Uber, Zay.
Yeah. Yo, just say what? I'll show a little leg.
Best security guard out here, right, Zay?
Best security guard.
Best security guard out here.
Yo, no pictures.
No pics. Got you. Yeah.
It was like I pitched on Instagram. I don't want you to get hit. I was carrying.
That's a fact.
That's right here.
Which one? The big one? The big boy? Yo, open that door for him. Open that door for him, boy. All right.
Yo, win that chip. OT, if you get this question right, you have 5 seconds to pick up whatever you want.
All right.
10 times 10 minus 50.
50.
5,
4, not my cat. 3, 2, 2 1/4. 2 2/4. Hookah. 2 3/4. 1. Take your stuff and leave.
Do not eat from the Auntie Anne's in Atlantic Mall. This is what they got this doing. This is where they roll your pretzels. This is f***ing dirty. And look at this man's toes. He don't even have a pedicure.